Welcome to DG Proctor, world's leading and most secured end-to-end test management system with live online invigilation. In this video, we will learn how to understand your test analytics. To view the analytics of your last test, click View Performance Analysis. To view the analytics of your previous test, click on the menu. Click Analytics. The Analytics page shows you the analytics of your completed tests. Your completed tests are of three types: assessed, pending assessment, and pending result. Assessed. Your test has been assessed and the results are now available for you to see. Pending assessment. Your test is pending assessment and the results are currently not available. Pending result. Your test has been assessed but your test creator hasn't declared your results. You can filter for your test using the following filter options. Select the test to view its results. Click Result. There are two sections to your results: Performance Analysis and Test Analysis. In Performance Analysis, you can see how much you've scored. Here your score is 75%. Where did you stand in your class? Your rank is 8th in your class. How many people have scored lower than you? Here 53.51% of your class has scored lower than you. Your Z-score tells you where do you stand according to the mean of the class using standard deviation. Here you stand 0.09 standard deviation from the mean. Your T-score tells you where do you stand according to the mean of the class without using standard deviation. Here you stand 50.88 from the mean. Your test result is shown to your right. Your test result consists of total number of questions you had in your test, how many questions you have answered correctly in your test, how many questions you have answered incorrectly in your test, how many questions you haven't attempted in your test. You can see a visual diagram of your test result represented on your right. To view comparative performance, click Comparative Performance. Comparative performance shows you a graph of where you stand with respect to the rest of your class. Here you can see how many test takers have obtained a particular mark. In the learning matrix you can see how you've performed in different subjects of different sections of the test. For each subject, you can see the lowest mark scored in the subject, the average mark scored in the subject, the highest mark scored in the subject, how much you've scored in the subject. Click drop-down to view different sections. In the Bloom's cognitive domains you can see how you've performed in different areas of different sections of the test. There are three areas: recall, understand, and apply. For each area, you can see the lowest mark scored in the area, the average mark scored in the area, the highest mark scored in the area, how much you've scored in the area. Click drop-down to view different sections. Click here to view Test Analysis. In Test Analysis, on your left you will see a list of the questions that you've attempted in your test. You can even arrange the questions in ascending or descending order according to the following fields, sections, type of question, marks, and maximum marks. You can select your question from here. It will appear on your right. For each question, you can see which subject, topic, and cognitive domain it belongs to. It shows your response and the correct response. It will also show you why this solution is the correct response. Thank you for watching this video. Call DG Proctor Help Desk for any queries.